In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint Designer. If you've ever found yourself staring at a plain, uninspiring slide and wish there was an easy way to spruce it up, you're in the right place. PowerPoint Designer is a fantastic tool that can quickly elevate the look of your presentation with just a few clicks. Let's start by opening up your PowerPoint presentation. Now, select the slide you want to work on. This might be a slide that contains text, images, or perhaps one that feels a bit too plain and could use a burst of creativity. Once you've clicked on the slide, your next step is to direct your attention to the menu at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see several options. What you're looking for is the Design tab, located conveniently towards the left. Clicking on Design will bring up a range of options related to the aesthetic styling of your slides. Now, these options include themes and variants, but what's particularly of interest to us today is the PowerPoint Designer. In the Design menu, you should notice a section or button labeled Designer, or sometimes referred to as Design Ideas. Clicking on this is where the real magic happens. PowerPoint Designer will automatically analyze the content of your slide and provide you with various design ideas and layouts that can enhance the visual appeal of your slide, offering both professionalism and creativity. Now, as you scroll through these suggestions, you'll see different layouts, each designed to suit various types of content. You might find a design that makes your text pop, or a layout that frames your images perfectly. Choose one that resonates well with the message you're trying to convey or the aesthetic of your presentation. It's important to note that PowerPoint Designer might give different suggestions based on the content of your slide. For example, a slide stocked with text might prompt suggestions that focus on typography and layout, while an image-heavy slide might yield designs that emphasize visual prominence. What makes PowerPoint Designer so user-friendly is its simplicity. It saves time and offers multiple visually appealing options without needing to manually adjust elements on your slide one by one. It's a clear asset for anyone aiming to create impactful presentations with minimal effort. And there you have it. By simply clicking a couple of buttons, you've transformed your slides into compelling showcase pieces. Remember, a well-designed presentation can significantly impact how your information is received, so take advantage of these built-in tools to captivate your audience. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're now inspired to use PowerPoint Designer in your own presentations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay updated.